Good morning, January 26, and our inspired journey begins a new week. Let me gently remind you, we meet here every morning to listen to our shared warm guide for the day, a path that leads us through knowledge, wisdom, and kind intentions toward what matters most, ourselves. Today, our Advent opens the category Power of the Word. This is a space where we learn to trust, love, accept, see, and truly value ourselves. Here, I honestly share what truly works for me. Our message for today is: I choose to believe. This is my point of inner support. It is the light that goes ahead of me through the darkness. Since childhood, I believed in one simple phrase: goodness always triumphs over evil. Only one naive, childlike question stayed with me. How? After all, good does not fight. The answer came only with time. Goodness wins not because it fights, but because it creates. Because goodness is always about creating, about uniting, and about igniting millions of hearts with faith, light, warmth, and acceptance. Faith is not the absence of doubt. It is our decision to act despite them. The word choose activates our inner strength. We take responsibility and become creators of our inner state. When we say, I choose to believe, our brain begins to search for the possibilities, not obstacles. I truly believe that coincidences are not accidental, even when they are difficult to accept. We need faith even more to allow time to reveal the deeper meaning of the universe message. Our mind often turns on anxiety or doubt. In these moments, pause and say to yourself, I release the need to control everything. I trust life. I trust my path, even if I cannot see the entire route yet. I choose to believe in myself and in the goodness of this world. I choose to believe. Feel how these words create inner support within you. Give time a chance to reveal what you believe in. Faith is a seed that grows in silence, not under constant demands for results. Remember how something that once seemed impossible has already happened in your life. May every word you say to yourself today. Be gentle. Feel the inner stillness that comes with trust. May this day bring you a small confirmation miracle. A sign that your faith has power. Share your light. Ignite hearts. Your advance embrace.